Okay, it's time to perform a discharge test when I will take current from the battery in order to verify that it has the capacity that it says, 100 amp hours. So what I have here is a little setup with the battery and the load that will pull current from the battery. I also have some equipment here to power cooling fans, because there will be a lot of heat released in this load when we take the power. I will then measure the current pulled from the battery and the battery voltage and take notes on how long time this will go on, and then we can calculate the total amp hours that has been pulled out of the battery. So it should be 100 amp hours. So what I do now is that I connect this cable to the battery, and then we have a closed circuit, and we will have the load going on, and we will see current here and voltage here. So we are seeing 40 amps more or less. 38 amps, and time now is 19:45. Voltage is 12.6. Current is 37.5. So now this will go on. I have to put on the cooling fans. Okay, I turn off the fans for a short while to give a little update. 2 hours have passed, and the voltage is 12.5 volts. The current is 37, so everything is very flat and stable, and it will continue for some more, 1 hour maybe, we'll see. But I start the fan again so that we don't have any overheating here, and we let it work on. As you can see, the voltage is going down now. It's at 10 volts, so I think that maybe the battery management system will shut down. So here we have. The voltage went down to 0. The battery management cut out the voltage, so we have really discharged the battery to the very end. So that was interesting to see. And I will now summarize how many amp hours we have got from the battery. So if I summarize the current that has been taken out and the time, I get that the battery actually has a capacity of 101 amp hours. The test is finalized, and 101 amp hours has been taken from the battery, which is perfectly in line with the specification. So I'm very content, very nice. The battery was discharged in 2 hours and 45 minutes, and in the end the battery management system cut the power to protect the battery from being too deeply discharged. So everything worked fine, and as I said, the battery is perfectly cool and healthy. So very good. Thank you so much for taking part of this experiment. I hope you learned something. Bye bye.